Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to learn how to add multiple pictures on CapCut. Okay, after you import your video to CapCut and then you want to add multiple pictures on it, you can click everywhere but the video, and then you can click on this button, this plus button, and you can choose the photos that you want to add to your video. You can choose as much as you want, and just remember that you have to click on the circle like this. Okay, and then after you choose the photo that you want to add, you can click add right here. Sorry. All right, and now the pictures have been added to your video, and that's how we can add multiple pictures on CapCut. And thanks for watching. See you on the next video.